Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add certifications to your LinkedIn profile in 2025. So make sure that you stick around till the end so that you don't miss any of the certification related tips that makes your certificate clickable. So here, first of all, you need to come on linkedin.com and then log in into your account. Over here, you can either click on your profile icon on this page, or you can even first click on this Me tab in the top and then click on the option of View Profile. Now over here on this page, click on the option of Add Profile section. Here you will see a bunch of different options like Manual Setup and Recommendation and Additional. So the certifications option is in the recommendation. So click on this drop down menu, and here we have the option of Add Licenses and Certifications. After clicking on this option, you will see this type of pop up in front of you where you need to simply give the name of the certifications, the issuing organization of that certification, issuing date, year, expiration date, year, any certification ID, certification URL or the credential URL. If you want to add skills, you can click on the add skills option and provide the skills option. If you want to add media, click on the add media option. Here you can either add a link or you can add media like picture, presentation, document, or any video. So after filling out this form and adding your certificate related document, simply click on this save option here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and this way you will be able to add certifications to your LinkedIn profile in 2025. That is simple and professional. If this video helped you out, give the video a like, subscribe for more LinkedIn tips, and comment if you want a video on profile optimization or job alerts next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.